Did you know that small changes in our daily habits can lead to big savings on our electricity bills? Many of us waste energy without even realizing it. But with a few simple adjustments, we can save money and reduce our environmental impact. Let's take a look at the easiest ways to be more energy efficient. Have you ever noticed that some electronics still glow, even when turned off? TVs, gaming consoles, computers, and general office equipment, as well as smartphone chargers, continue to draw power when plugged in. These are called phantom loads or ghost loads, and they can account for up to 10% of your electricity bill. The solution? Use a power bar with an on-off switch and turn it off before bed. Extra bonus: many power bars come with extra safety features, including surge protection. For your smartphones, have a licensed electrician install a USB receptacle. One simple habit can help you cut down on wasted energy and save money. Next up, if you live in a cold climate, you might use a block heater for your vehicle in the winter. But did you know that your car only needs 3 hours of heating before startup? Leaving it plugged in all night is a huge waste of energy. Most block heaters are rated at 1200 watts, so that can add up quickly, especially during peak hours. The solution? Use a controlled receptacle so your block heater turns on only when needed. 24-hour programmable timers, mechanical timers, or programmable block heater timers can all be used with very simple setup. This small change can save you hundreds of dollars per winter. Lighting makes up a big part of our energy use, and switching to LED bulbs is one of the easiest ways to save money and the environment. Compact fluorescent and fluorescent light bulbs all contain mercury, which is extremely toxic to Mother Nature. LEDs use up to 80 to 90% less energy than incandescent bulbs and last up to 25 times longer. Unlike CFLs, which take time to warm up, LEDs provide instant full brightness as soon as they are switched on. They also offer high lumen output per watt, making them much brighter than traditional options at the same power consumption. Making the switch to LEDs is a quick and affordable upgrade that saves energy and reduces your electricity bill instantly. Plus, it gives you great color versatility. LEDs come in a wide range of colors and temperatures, from warm white, soft yellow glow, to cool white, bright daylight. They also support RGB, red, green, blue technology, allowing dynamic color changes and effects perfect for decorative lighting. Did you know that heating and cooling account for nearly half of your home's energy use? So it is very important to maintain weather stripping around windows and doors. Replace old, drafty windows and ensure that you have a good, airtight home. The vacuum test provided by most home inspection companies is a true way to test how airtight your home is. With a programmable thermostat, you can reduce wasted energy by automatically adjusting the temperature when you're away or sleeping. Set your thermostat lower at night and while you're away, and watch the savings add up. For those techie types, there are several Wi-Fi controlled smart thermostats on the market as well. Many water heaters are set too high, forcing us to mix in cold water when we shower or bathe. Lowering the water heater to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius, reduces energy waste and still provides plenty of hot water. You should have the temperature set to use only hot water while taking a shower or bath. Lowering your water heater's temperature can save you up to $50 per year, and you won't even notice the difference. Want to take lighting efficiency a step further? Dimmer switches let you reduce brightness when full power isn't needed, cutting electricity costs. Even better, smart dimmers allow you to control lights remotely using your phone or voice assistant. Timers for bathroom exhaust fans and occupational sensors for those people who forget to turn off the light switch. Imagine saying, "Alexa, dim the lights to 50%, and instantly saving energy. Here are some great smart dimmers to try. Lutron Caseta Wireless. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Casa Smart Dimmer by TP-Link. Budget-friendly and Wi-Fi controlled. Leviton Decora Smart Dimmer, no hub needed, integrates with major smart systems. Energy efficiency doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. By making small changes like using power bars, smart thermostats, LED lighting, and dimmer switches, you can save money, reduce waste, and make your home smarter. Start making these energy-smart choices today and watch your savings grow. Save the world one carbon reduction at a time. Want to learn more? Subscribe for more energy-saving tips.